Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something my hair really needs right now, a full wash day and a proper detox. If you have been following me, you already know I have been dealing with a lot of hard water buildups, and honestly my hair has just not been acting like itself. My products haven't been absorbing right, my hair feels kind of dull and coated, and I just knew I had to hit reset. I am actually very excited about this wash day, guys, because I know my hair desperately need this detox treatment. So basically, this is me starting over in a way, getting all that buildup off, the hard water minerals, old products, everything, so my hair can actually breathe again and start responding the way it's supposed to. I am not going to lie, this whole journey is very serious for me because I really want to get my hair back healthy and thriving. So I am being very intentional with everything I am using today. You guys know I don't gatekeep, and I love to have you guys on this journey with me. And of course, I love to help you guys on your hair growth journey. So every time I learn something new, I will be the first to run on here and share with you guys so you can do the same thing and get amazing results too. We are in this together, sis. As you can see, my hair is very knotted. That's because of the buildups that coat in my strands, causing my hair to easily get dry and knotted. And this can cause unnecessary breakage, so I am carefully sectioning my hair so my detangling process is not as difficult and me ripping out my hair in frustration, which a lot of us are guilty of. Next, I am going to go in and start detangling my hair. And just remember, don't be afraid to section your hair into really small sections. I know it can feel like extra work, but it actually makes a huge difference, sis. The last thing you want is to rush through it in big section and cause breakage or unnecessary shedding. Right now, we're really focused on retaining length and being gentle so we can actually reach our hair goals. I don't know about you, but I am definitely working my way towards waist length here. So I am taking my time and doing this the right way. Thanks to the person that commented on my video and told me to get one of these brushes. Girl, thank you. This is a lifesaver. If you have natural hair and you don't have one of these brushes, go get yourself one, sis. So this is all the hair that came out, and I haven't detangled my hair for more than a week. So these are my little puffies. All right, sis, so you're with me, right? Good. So now I am moving on to mix up my detox mask that I am going to be applying to my hair. And I really want to explain this part because a detox isn't just an extra step. It's actually something your hair really needs, especially if you have been using a lot of products or dealing with hard water like I have. Over time, all of that builds up on the hair shaft. Products, oils, gels, and those hard water minerals, and it creates a barrier. So even if you're using really good products, they can't properly penetrate your hair. That's why sometimes your hair still feels dry, stiff, or just not improving. So doing a detox helps to remove all that buildup so your hair is basically reset. It allows your scalp to breathe, your strands to actually absorb moisture again, and it makes every product you use after way more effective. Have you ever just feel like your wash day haven't been giving you results, or your hair just feels stuck? This is the kind of treatment you want to do before you continue your regular routine. Think of it like hitting refresh on your hair, so everything you do after can actually work. So sis, to make the detox mask is actually pretty straightforward. Depending on your hair length and thickness, you're going to start by adding your detox powder, then an equal amount of apple cider vinegar. From there, you just mix until it becomes smooth and well combined. If you notice it's too thick, don't be afraid to add a little more apple cider vinegar to loosen it up. You want to aim for a consistency that's easy to spread through your hair, because if it's too thick, it's going to be harder to apply and distribute evenly. The smoother the texture, the easier your whole application process will be. All right, sis. So as you can see, mine is a little on the runny side. Since my hair isn't very long, I didn't mix a large amount. And if I need more, I can always go back and make a little extra. Now I'm going to show you how to apply the mask. You want to start by working in small sections so you can make sure every strand is fully coated. Apply it from your roots all the way down to your ends, making sure your hair is evenly saturated. And sis, take your time with this step. This is where the detox really works its magic, lifting buildups and resetting your hair so it can properly receive moisture again. And please, pretty please, make sure you're using your fingers to gently pull your hair apart as you apply it. Really getting in there so every strand is coated. Don't rush this part. Make sure everything is fully coated, sis. And this is very important to be sure to apply a generous amount of the mask to your scalp as well. Take your time and massage it in really, really well. This helps to lift up buildups directly from the scalp, which is where a lot of the issue starts. It also helps to work more effectively and faster, so you're not left in with a dry, itchy, irritated scalp. This step is really about getting your scalp clean, refreshed, and reset so your hair can thrive. Okay, sis? Right here, I'm just showing you guys my curl popping through. Ah, so excited! Actually, I ended up running out of the mask. I guess I underestimate how thick my hair really is, so I just went ahead and make a little more. And honestly, that's totally fine. It's better to pause and mix a bit more than to try to stretch it and miss sections. I want to make sure every strand gets fully coated so I get the best result from this detoxes, okay? Listen, I am already feeling and seeing the quality of my hair changes as I am applying this mask. It's just crazy how quickly you can see that difference when the buildups start lifting. And I am sure you can see those curls starting to pop through too. That's exactly what we want. That's what happens when your hair is finally getting a real reset and can actually respond the way it's supposed to. So now that I finished applying the detox treatment to my hair, I have a little left over, so I'm going to apply it to my face too. Since this is a detox mask, it can also help to draw out impurities from the skin, so I am just taking advantage of the extra product and giving my skin a little treatment as well. So now I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 20 minutes while I do stuff around the house. This is going to give the detox enough time to really work, lifting up buildups, pulling out those hard water minerals, and clearing my scalp so my hair can fully reset before I rinse it out. Listen, I'll be looking crazy. Anyways, guys, I think I left mine on a little over 20 minutes, basically until the clay is dried on my hair. But quick tip, guys, if you're thinking about putting this on your face, please avoid your lips and your eyes area. I made that mistake and it burns like crazy. I had to take it off my lips right away. Also, don't leave it on your face too long. If you have sensitive skin like me, keep it between 5 to 10 minutes max, because leaving it longer can cause redness and irritation. Your hair can handle longer detox, but your skin definitely needs a little more care. So now I'm just going to wash out the clay with some clean water. I definitely recommend doing this part in the shower because this mask can take a while to rinse out and it gets really messy, guys. Being in the shower just makes the whole process so much easier and cleaner. For me, I didn't really have a choice today since I am filming and I needed good handles and lighting, so I am actually using water from a bucket to rinse my hair. And if you have been following me, you already know I don't use the water straight from my pipes on my hair because of the hard water. So this is just what works best for me right now. Now I'm going in with my favorite shampoo, Henderson Organics Herbal Silk Shampoo. I love this one because it's gentle but still leaves my hair and scalp feeling feeling really clean without stripping, especially after a detox, guys. That balance is important. It's made with aloe vera, peppermint, lavender, and rosemary, so it helps to hydrate, soothe the scalp, and support healthy hair while cleansing. A little goes a long way. And I wash my hair like 3 times, guys. Oh my god, I feel brand new, guys. So now that my hair is squeaky clean, now I'm going in with the Repair and Restore Deep Conditioner. This step is super important, sis. Do not skip it, okay? Especially after a detox, because your hair has been fully cleansed and now it needs that moisture and strength to put back in. A good deep conditioner like this one helps to restore softness, improve manageability, and reduce breakage. This is really what brings your hair back to life after all that cleansing, so don't skip this step. Repeat after me. I will not skip this step. And how I apply my deep conditioner, guys, I just part my hair in really, really small section and go and apply that deep conditioner. And I use a generous amount. Do not be stingy. And I just do that until my entire head is complete with the deep conditioner. And then I went back over with their hot oil treatment oil blend, Nourish and Shine, to just put over to kind of help to seal all that moisture in. And then after that, I just put a shower cap on, and then I put a plastic bag on, or our good old plastic bag. If you know, you know. Nothing is better than a plastic bag, okay? And then I just let this sit on my hair for 1 hour, okay? But if you have like a hooded dryer, you can let it sit on for 30 to 40 minutes. So after 1 hour, this is what my hair looks like, guys. Now I'm just gonna detangle, take out each small section and detangle my hair, guys. When I tell you how soft, let me repeat. You know what? Don't let me repeat this. When I tell you how soft my hair felt, it felt so soft, so manageable, and I wasn't having like all that knotted issue that I was having before. My hair felt so light, so soft, and look at my curls popping out. Oh my god, guys. This is what I needed all my life. I needed this detox treatment all my life. I'm so happy I did this detox because my hair felt so much better with just one use. So imagine when I start doing my detox treatment every 4 to 6 weeks, because you have to do this treatment every 4 to 6 weeks just to make sure you're keeping off all that mineral buildups, product buildups, so your scalp and hair is really squeaky clean, so you can absorb your products properly. But my hair feels amazing, and it detangling process was a breeze. Okay, it was a breeze. I love that I did this detox treatment, and oh my god, I'm just so excited for the end results. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so the fact that you make it this far into my video, guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and turn on your notification bell so YouTube can notify you every single time I drop a new video. Also, guys, we are currently 50K subscribers. Yay! I cannot believe we finally made it to 50K subscribers. I have 50,000 of you guys here on this channel with me. Oh my god, I love it, love it, love it, love it. If you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. And please don't be shy. Leave a comment, like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe. But anyways, guys, we are washing out the deep conditioner, and we're going to make sure we wash out everything. And I like to leave my hair in these little twists when I'm washing out my detangler, because it just makes my hair so much easier to manage, and it just makes it a lot easier. I don't know how to explain it, but it just makes my hair a lot easier to deal with when I wash it out with these little twists. So now we're going to go in with our leave-in products. So now I am going to go in with Henderson Organics Length Retention Moisturizing Hair Butter. Love, love, love this hair butter. You should also go in with a leave-in conditioner before this hair butter, but your girl forgot that step. So what I do the Length Retention Moisturizing Hair Butter, which makes my hair super soft, make the detangling process super, super easy, keeps my hair hydrated, moisturized throughout the entire week. And then I went in with some oil. I use their hot oil treatment oil blend to lock in all that moisture. And I just repeat that step until my entire head is finished, because you don't want to just wash your hair and leave it like that, guys. You want to make sure you're putting in your moisturizer and you want to lock that moisture in with some oils, okay? But right now I'm just doing that because I was super tired. So after I twist my hair up, I put some oil on my scalp. I used their aloe vera and rosemary hair growth oil, my favorite. This is what grow my hair like crazy, makes my hair super thick as well. So I just oil my scalp, and this is what my hair looks like with these jumper twists. And guys, I cannot dwell how amazing my hair feels and look right now. It's so much healthier. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, guys, I love it. Look how full of life my hair is. My hair is so soft, it's so light, it's so manageable. I love it. Tell me you don't see the big difference, guys. Look at the huge difference with the life. Like, oh my god, like, guys, before you put any more products on your hair, go get yourself a detox. If you have never done a detox before, let this be your sign to try it on your next wash day. Trust me, once you feel the difference, you're going to understand why this step is so important. I am obsessed. I'm so in love with my hair right now, guys. Don't worry, everything is linked in my description box below for you to get your detox treatment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.